Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands and thousands of cases. We have our firm about 250 years of direct working experience with IRS. Listen, just go to my website. I don't talk a lot about me. Go to 777irs.com. That's what you need to know. I want you to know how to not get ripped off by tax resolution companies. Most of you already heard that Optima Tax Relief has a class action suit filed against them, and many companies do the same thing that Optima does, and many people get ripped off by these large companies. You can tell. You see their ads everywhere. They're on Google all the time. They're on Google pay-per-click. You see them on the news. You see them here. You see them there. Those are a company that spends probably up to $250,000 in ads every year. But let me tell you how these companies work so you don't get ripped off. When you call that number, you're speaking to a salesperson. How do I know? Because I know an attorney, a CPA, or a former agent enrollee, they're not going to answer the phone. They don't, because there's so much volume coming in, so much marketing and advertising, they don't have time to pick up the phone. So they have a team of very slick and trained scale salesperson. How do you know that? They're antsy. They want you to sign a contract. They want to talk about fees. They want to get your assets and liabilities, know how much you make, and they want to give you a contract right away. Those are the typical marks of people who are on their sales team trying to sign you up so they can get a big commission. Well, to be honest with you, that's not what a firm like we would do. We want to hear about your case. We want to look at a financial statement first. We want to make sure if we can help you, we want to make sure we're a good match. We don't take all cases. We can't, because sometimes you cannot help the person. They may already be in a good posture with IRS and you don't need to do anything. You can tell them what to do for free. So I just want to tell you, if you want to know whether you're speaking to a salesman, they're always going to be crafty, very sales-like, and they're always going to want to get you a contract to sign and get you to pay something, maybe just a little $300 fee, like this fee, an investigative fee, to go ahead to have you have bait so you can sign up with them later. That's not how the game works, just so you know. So that's how you know you're going to get ripped off. If you want to speak to a firm that's really going to do the work, you're going to speak to an attorney, a CPA, enrolled agent, or former IRS agent who knows what they're doing, and they're going to make sure that they can help you. Don't get ripped off by these companies. I've just told you the sign. So if you get ripped off after listening to me, it's on you. Anyway, if you call our office, you speak to me directly. We know what we're doing. We've been doing this a long time personally. I've done this since 1973. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. Give me a subscription. I really appreciate you. I have about 3,000 videos, a lot to tell you about what goes on and inside of IRS. Thank you so much.